comment made by Horace Bushnell, an American theologian. It makes you wonder about the importance of roads in our lives. Roads were probably the first modes of transportation built by humans. The first record of road building can be traced to Ur, which is in modern-day Iraq. These were built around 4000 BCE by people of the Mesopotamian civilization. For the past 6,000 years, the human race has been building roads to connect cities, towns, and villages. So, what is the meaning of the term roadway? Roadways refer to the part of land on which vehicles can be driven. As of 2017, the total length of India's roadways is about 59 lakh kilometers. It keeps increasing every year as new roads are constructed and opened for public use. India has one of the largest road networks in the world. What makes roadways such an important mode of transportation? Well, there are three important characteristics of roadways. Firstly, they help us provide last mile connectivity. Railways carry you from one railway station to another station. Airways carry you from one airport to another airport. But when it comes to roadways, you can reach right at your doorstep. Since it can provide door-to-door services when goods are transported, it need not get unloaded and loaded in between. Hence, transportation through roadways will have a low cost of loading and unloading. Roadways are essential for goods to reach their destination. Transport through railway, airway, or waterway is incomplete without roadways to move them from railway stations, airports, and ports. It acts as a feeder to other modes of transport. Wherever you go on land, you will definitely find a road, be it the toughest terrains of the Himalayas or a rocky plateau. Roads are everywhere. Roads can be constructed in difficult terrain, which enables even regions with undulating surfaces like valleys and hilly areas to have transportation. Due to these features, roadways have been playing a major role in transportation. But the question is, are roads the same everywhere? Think about the different types of roads that you have traveled over. Are they all the same? Traveling on all roads is not the same. You may have experienced a smooth drive on highways, whereas the rides may become rather bumpy on hilly or village roads. This is because one is a metal road and the other is not. Now, what are these metal roads? Are they roads made out of metals? No. Here the word metal or road metal refers to small pieces of stone used for making roads. Metal roads are those constructed with cement, concrete, or bitumen of coal. These roads can be used in the rainy season as well. Thus, they are known as all-weather roads. Unmetal roads, on the other hand, are roads that don't have road metal. These are either natural pathways or mud roads. They go out of use in the rainy season. Metal roads are always preferred for smooth and faster transport. This is one of the reasons why since independence, the Indian government took a special interest in the construction of roadways. India has one of the largest road networks in the world. Roads roads in this huge road network are classified into 6 different categories based on their capacity. We have the Golden Quadrilateral Superhighways, National Highways, State Highways, District Roads, Border Roads, and other roads. Widest amongst these is the Golden Quadrilateral Superhighways. These are wide roads meant for high-speed travels. In other terms, superhighways. Now, the Golden Quadrilateral Highways project was launched in the year 2000. But why does a superhighway network have the name Golden Quadrilateral? Its aim was to construct a 6-lane superhighway between India's 4 large metropolises: New Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata. It traces a shape close to a quadrilateral. In addition to this, the project covers the north-south corridor between Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir and Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu. The east-west corridor covers the cities of Silchar in Assam and Porbandar in Gujarat. What is the objective of building such long highways? Is it just a fancy project? Well, the answer is no. The Golden Quadrilateral project aimed to reduce the time spent on transporting goods between the 4 major cities of India, and also to reduce the distance traversed while transporting goods between these cities. Today, a large amount of freight and passengers are being transported through these highways. The name Golden serves its meaning. The National Highway Authority of India, or the NHAI, has to be thanked for creating this lifeline of our national economy. National highways, an important category of roadways. Highway. What does this word mean? Highway refers to an important public road that connects major cities and towns. India has many national highways running across the length and breadth of the country. The overall length of these highways keeps on increasing as more roads are constructed each year. The Sher Shah Suri Marg connecting Delhi and Amritsar is known as the National Highway number 1. The National Highway number 2 connects Delhi to Kolkata. Can you identify the cities connected by the National Highway NH8 and NH4? Yes, NH4 connects Mumbai and Chennai. NH8 connects Mumbai and Delhi. Both these highways are a part of the Golden Quadrilateral project. National highways are maintained by the Central Public Works Department, or the CPWD. National highways connect most parts of the country. But not all the villages and towns are located next to highways, are they? So then, how are they connected? Think about it. India is a vast country. Superhighways and national highways are not enough to connect every nook and corner of the country. So there are bodies at the state or union territory level to take care of road constructions in their regions. These are categorized as state highways. State Public Works Departments, or SPWDs, take care of state highways. These roads connect different district headquarters with the state capital. Similarly, there are roads that connect the district headquarters with other places within the district. They are taken care of by the Zilla Parishad. But what about villages? Good roads are extremely important for people living in villages too. Why? Let's learn that through an example. Vegetables, fruits, and flowers are perishable goods. And if such goods are produced in these villages, they would need to be transported as soon as possible to the nearest market. Since the incomes of small farmers are already low, they need access to cheap transportation. The Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana is an initiative to solve this issue. Under this scheme, the government plans to build an all-weather motorable road connecting each village to the nearest town. This will ensure that the villages are well connected. In addition to farmers, it will also help rural students to travel on a daily basis. Ambulances can reach these places in times of emergencies. The benefits of building roads to remote villages are immense. Roads that connect villages and rural areas with towns fall under the category of other roads. The responsibility of building and maintaining these roads lies with the local governing bodies. However, the state and central government can launch special schemes to construct them too. The Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana that we just talked about is an example of an initiative launched by the Government of India. India shares land boundaries with 7 neighboring countries. These border regions are very important in terms of defense of the country. And that's why large military forces are stationed at the border. These regions are connected by a category of roads called border roads. Who could be constructing and maintaining roads in this region of strategic importance? Well, this is done by an organization under the Ministry of Defense called Border Roads Organization, or BRO. It was established by the Government of India in 1960. These roads have aided the economic development of these border areas and helped armed forces keep vigil in remote areas in the north and northeastern parts of the country. In addition to this, these roads have given better commuting options to people in these areas. I'm sure that the people who build roads for the BRO lead extremely risky but exciting lives.